Alright guys, what we're doing here is, this is Lunar New Year's, and oh look at that, legit, oh damn. Lunar New Year, guys. Look at that chain. Ooh, damn, they got 4 of these all strung up, and these dragon dancers are about to make it happen. Cool. So we're gonna do this one as the best carbon fiber in the world. All right, how you doing, man? Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Cool. All right. So we're just doing carbon fiber today, and we're gonna do the hood and the roof, right?
Yep.
Yeah, there's a few rock chips, but that should be fine. You won't even notice it. Yeah, so this carbon fiber that I got is actually the best one I've seen so far. So it's gonna look really good. I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like much right now, but that's what it looks like up close. So it will look much better when we lay it on the car. But if we can walk you over there and you can see the difference. So let me close my gate here. Okay, so here's an example of what it looks like once it's on. So this is a real carbon fiber wing from eBay. Right there, okay? And then this is the wrap. So you can compare the two. That's pretty damn close.
Yep.
So yeah, that's what it's gonna look like on the whole car. Cool?
Yep.
That works, right?
Looks great.
So what's going on with your ride? This thing is pretty sick. You got the whole Umbrella Corporation thing?
Yeah.
That's dope. You got it on the wheels? Hold on. You get these custom made?
I got it on Wish, surprisingly.
Oh, really? I need to be shopping on Wish for car parts. Dude.
I got this on eBay.
Wow. That's tight. And
legit.
that's hella sick right there.
Yeah.
This is carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber. This one's carbon fiber.
Oh, that's carbon fiber. Oh, that's good. Dang, dude. He's gonna show me his sick ass lights. Valenti, guys. Oh, damn. That's sick. Wait, do the signals. Oh, word. Reverse. Dang, that's hella bright.
Yeah.
Those are sick. How much do these cost?
I want to say around 600.
600. Hey, cop these, guys, if you want some unique lights. If you got this model, I know all you Subi fans out here. But yeah, all right. Cool. This is so clean. I'm starting to like W's the more I do them. You're gonna cut a hole in here somewhere to get rid of this hood bonnet thing. But basically work from the middle out. You can use a wrap glove or some soap and water and a squeegee. Or the palm of your hand for like parts like this. Okay. And the reason why I did it this way, where it looks to you like it's kind of short on material. So from here to there is almost 5 feet. You have to do a little bit of a stretch because there's a upraise in the hood. But from there to here is 50 inches. But when you're rolling out this material, you're going to be rolling it this way, right? So if you did it the other way, where you do extra like 52 inches this way, then it will cause this pattern to be different from the roof. Since we're doing the roof, if I'm rolling the material out this way, I'm going to be rolling the material out that way as well for the roof, so all this lines up. We don't want the stitching to look different between here and the roof, because the roof, that length is more than 5 feet. Okay, that's the reason why. All right, step on in, step on in. It's dark, guys. He's gonna see this thing in person.
It's nice.
What do you think?
Looks great.
Does it look like real carbon?
Yeah, it looks just like my my wing.
I know, this color is pretty cool. Yeah. It's very interesting how shiny it is.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, there you go. And then this piece I did in couple pieces. This is one piece here, and then there's a seam right here. Can you see it?
Yeah, barely. It's really
Yeah,
close.
it's a seam that runs up top, so this is a separate piece up here.
Oh, that's good. Nailed it.
All right. And then we did the roof too. So right up here, you see the roof.
Oh, looks nice.
Yeah.
It's real hard to see at night though.
Yeah, all the way back here. Did this. So I just cut it off right over here.
Nice. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. And then this, I just put the trim back on there. Yeah, this is really nice looking carbon fiber.
Yep. I need to do the same with my mirrors later.
Oh yeah, those. Yeah, these aren't too bad. They're not that curved, so it should stick okay.
Nice.
Sweet. All right, dude. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. If you guys like this carbon fiber, I'll link it right down below where you can get this one. This is from Metro Restyling. They are not sponsoring this one, but since this is a DIY channel, I'm gonna tell you where to get it. Go down to the link below. This is called 3M Real D 3.0 carbon fiber. So this is the good stuff, guys. Get it. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. There we go. Okay, hit it. Dude, that's sick. Look, this lights up when he brakes. Hella sick. I love that game. If you ever played Resident Evil 2, if you haven't played it, play it. That's the scariest game ever. Dude, this is so tight. Do it again. Look, the bottom things light up too. This is sick, dude. You guys make me want a Subaru. Dang. These yellow light come stock? What, you mod them to make them yellow? Yeah. Joe, those are hella Euro looking. That's sick. All right, dude. Appreciate it. Let's get you out of here.